Hey, welcome to Intxolution Softwares. Today I like to show how to use income and expense transactions in Intxolution Softwares. Go to navigation menu and select income and expense transactions. Click on Add Row button. Select or enter income and expense date. If you have an income, then select income account. If you have an expense, then select expense account. Select a payment source whose against selected the account. Enter a particular or remark. Enter the amount. After completed, then click on Save button.